We have got Insta mic here in the stock.
Horizontal, vertical for your Insta.
Only G2 Pro, because no one can give you that price. So it records, it stops. So everything is very easy on the Amazon and any other store.
Got it. So it's 28,700. Yes.
So we are going to give you a flat discount of 12,000. This is going to cost you 6 for product shoot, anything. Whoever wants to take a product shoot in a different angles.
Hi guys, welcome back to Swakyat Moto. I'm here at G2 Products once again. Due to the overwhelming response last time for the previous video, I'm here back again to show you the latest accessories.
Namaskara Snehitare, ನಾನು ಗೋಪಾಲ್ G2 Products ಅಂತ. So hello everyone, I'm Gopal from G2 Products. So last time we made a video on action camera and action camera accessories. So brands like Insta360, DJI and GoPro. So we made a very good video on the detailed video, what accessories we have got the option. So last time we got a very good response from the viewer side. So this time we are getting a very new accessories which are newly launched in the market. So we'll be showing you one by one.
This is something new. Right now this is from a brand called Star Trek. Okay, so this is a backpack mount for all you backpackers in the mountains. However, so this makes it very convenient, easy to carry. There is no extra weight on your body or your chest. However, so backpack you can turn it into horizontal, vertical for your Insta. Very sturdy, and once it's there you kind of forget it's there. You just do your natural walking, hiking and all that. Pretty cool. Also there's another option from Telesin. So this side it's a velcro strap guys, so this side there's some rubber element for grip. So you just snap it on just like that, and you can place a camera on your shoulder with no additional mount. There's no discomfort, so the camera will be there. You can just, so how convenient is that? This is something new I am first time seeing over here at G2 Products.
So how backpack mount, how Vicky Brothers has showed you, like we can mount this vertical and horizontal both. So in this we have 2 to 3 qualities. So in this we have one more, this Telesin one.
Yes.
So this comes without magnetic, we can rotate however we want. So this mount is basically a magnet mount. So this can be stuck, or this can be kept on any magnetic
maybe on a car or however, maybe in your gym you can place
gym
it.
Also. So
yes.
Like this. So it is a magnetic basically.
Got it.
So it's a magnetic mount. So in this we have 2 to 3 qualities.
Yes.
So plus we have one more Star Trek. So even this is there. Then this can be mounted. This can be quick release. So it can be quick released. So even this one also we have.
Yes.
And then we have a Insta360 chest mount. So this is a little expensive one, but not everywhere this will be available as an option.
Yes.
So even chest mount is also available. In chest mount also we have a lot of varieties.
Yes.
So well, chest mount here starts from like 400 rupees. So we'll show you one part by part. So this is called the Street Cage or Explorer Kit. So like this. So this is basically to click photos in a portrait mode, like this.
Got it.
This is a new case. So we have a strap also for the same. So if in case if you're using, the strap can be tightened and it can be clicked into a basic photography, street photography or something. So like this. So like this we have a new cage. So this cage is also available. Plus, if required, we can use the same as an aluminum cage also, like a normal aluminum cage what we have.
So basically it's like those
old times.
Old times, yes. And also that we had some options like this for the iPhone.
Correct.
We didn't have for the
Action cam,
but now it is here guys.
So this one as of now it's available for DJI Osmo Action 3, 4, 5, and we have for Ace Pro 2 also. Even for the Ace Pro 2 also we have. Then we have a V strap. So this I don't think so any of the offline stores will be having. They might have, well and good, but I think it's very rare in the market. So we have a V strap. This is from Insta360, and even the strap mount also. So how the V strap is useful is I'll just show you guys. So every time you can't hold a stick, it will be a handful.
Yes.
It will be a painful, sorry. So you can just mount into a 1x4 screw. So it's very easy to mount. So like that. So it can be in handle. Plus you can adjust the tightness of the strap.
Got it.
So basically this is a tightness what I feel is good. So it will be handful.
So basically for travelers, they'll be traveling, they want this small comforts.
Small comfort, because this all small comfort, so it makes a lot of difference
in the
journey.
Trip. Yes.
Trip or journey. We have a bullet cord also. So this is basically a bullet cord. So this can be stretched and this can be used. So basically, so how bullet cord works is, just we have to just have to thread it, and it's tight. So just make sure you have a good height and good space around you. Just rotate. So it's like that. So it will keep stretching, but make sure your hand is on the upper end.
Yes.
So it will keep rotating. Then if you want to stop, it will slowly come back.
Got it.
So many people they have a fear that what if the thread comes out.
Yes.
Comes out. For that we have a bullet time options. So we have a tripod and a stand. Then in the bullet time there is a lot of competition on the online also regarding the pricing. So bullet time we have 4 to 5 options. So this one you will be getting in our store for like 2,500 rupees only. Then we have something for like 3,000 also, and the original is 5,000 rupees. So this is bullet time basically. Again you have to just rotate.
Yes.
Like
for
this.
that special mode on the camera.
It works same, but for this you have to. But this is more stable.
Got it.
That is little riskier. That is the only disadvantage.
Yes.
But all work same. This you can use as a stand also.
Got it.
So in bullet time also we have a lot of options, like in the terms of qualities, varieties. So this one you have bullet time, this is for 2,000 rupees, and that's the original branding of Insta. So both are same quality, just the branding is the cost.
Got it.
And then as we showed, like we have a neck mount. So neck mount is for mobile, just to capture POV shots.
Yes.
And we have a neck mount for action camera, and this is 2-in-1.
Yes.
So both we can use. So like this we have got lights for all the models. So this is something for like photographers.
Okay,
so
it also has a display.
So
Yes.
they can see like whatever the modes they want.
Yes.
So it has a different mode, like Rolex, rotate, stop.
Yes.
So like that.
Yes.
So we have basically, even we have
This will be very useful for product photography.
product photography.
It has a built-in fan, I believe, for
Fan
cooling.
also, so it will be cooling. And again, if we have something for like focus light, if you want to focus it on someone's face or something,
Yes.
so in this we can also increase few lightning shots also. So like that. And in this also we have
This would be great for product photography.
product photography or
photos.
something.
Yes.
It will be really helpful. Then we have a 25 watts also. 25 watts is also available. So 25 watts and 40 watts, only the focus will change, nothing else. So you can just check the focus. So example, if I'm just putting on this product, so this is a product for the shoot.
Yes.
Okay, now that's how the effect will change, and this we can change into different conditions also.
Yes.
So we can either increase or either we can low, and we have a different colors set of, like this is RGB color. So in this we have a different pattern.
Yes. So it's a very versatile light.
It's a very versatile light.
Yes.
Plus lights, we have small lights also to be mounted on any aluminum cage or tripod. In that we have different varieties. We
Portable and very compact.
very compact lights, and these are little phosphor lights.
Yes.
So then we'll move out to the product photography. So nowadays people want everything to be very low and smart looking things. They don't want to carry a big tripods. So this we can do normal, like landscape and portrait or vertical or horizontal both.
Yes.
So
this basically connects to your MagSafe.
MagSafe.
If you don't have MagSafe, you can put on magnetic.
Magnetic mode. No, actually every parcel, every box, it does have a one MagSafe ring.
Yes.
So we can put for iPhone, you don't need a ring. Directly it does.
Yes.
Plus you have a Bluetooth control. We can also zoom in, zoom out. Plus we can record accordingly.
Yes.
So in this also we have like various options like Ulanzi and both. These both are the leading brands.
Got it.
So you can check this option for zoom in, zoom out.
Got it.
So like this it works. So it records, it stops. So everything is very easy.
Yes. And it's basically Bluetooth control.
Bluetooth control. So like
Got
that.
it. Yes.
And we have Pocket 3 Creator combo also for a good price. You can contact us. But all of our stock is going to be with the 1-year warranty from the brand side. So even the audio part is very equally important to any of the content. So we have got all the mics which are like trending in the market right now. So in the mics we have Digitech. So Digitech is one of the basics starting from us, like we have from 1000 rupees, 500, 1500, we have a starting rate. Then we have a DJI mic series also. So DJI mic series, I want to clarify one thing, that because DJI mics are not coming directly through the DJI India, who are the authorized distributors for India. So they're not able to get due to some BIS issues. So mic mini, mic 2, mic 3 price might vary at our shop, because we are providing you 1 year replacement warranty from our end. Even on the people who are buying on Amazon for 11,000, 12,000, if you check the review section once, kindly go once and check. There you cannot claim a warranty because DJI India is not giving warranty, as it's not their own stock. So mic mini, we are giving a 1 year warranty, and
so
we have
this is something very new, mic mini.
Mic mini, mic 2, mic 3, all are launched. Mic 3 is recently launched. It's not even launched in India yet.
Okay.
But we have mic 3. Then we have a most demanding product, transmitter.
Yes.
So one more thing, everyone, I want to show is we have got Insta mic here in the stock, which is not officially launched in India yet. We are going to provide you 1 year warranty from our end, but we are going to replace it. No repair.
Okay.
Any of the chance, if there's any issue, there's no repair. So we have mic here, a good quantity stock right now, but might be we have like 20 pieces left. But if not, we are getting more stocks very soon. So
but if any issue, replacement you can guarantee. Brand new piece.
Replacement I'm guaranteed, because I'm telling you on the mobile camera. It's not like I'm going to deny after that.
Yes.
See, if you're using underwater and all, in that such cases, it will be avoided the warranty. You'll have to pay for the charges.
Yes.
Even for the mic care, anything. If it's damaged or something, you'll have to pay. But regarding if anything, an internal issue will help you. See, G2 has always been supportive to all the customers. It's not like a single customer who have told if they have bought from us and they haven't received the warranty. So we'll be assuring you. If brand doesn't provide, we'll give you that. So mic care and mic air plus receiver. See, this both are in the stock, and this only works with the X4 and X5 and AS Pro 2. X3 we have to check if they give any update, we can do. This works with GoPro also, but with the Insta, it has a very good auto syncing option, because brand to brand they create an ecosystem very better.
Just like our DJI.
What they are doing with the action camera. So this.
So can this be used with mobile phones also?
Yes. For mobile phone also we can use. It has a receiver, and the audio quality is much better than the mini series. Because customers have given a successful feedback, because we have sold like approx like 30 pieces each. So this also we have in stock. Rode go-to wireless mic.
Yes.
So it's a brand new, which is a clearance stock, and we have 30-40 pieces in the stock right now, and we are going to support you 6 months warranty. Yes. So the actual market price is 28,700 on the Amazon and any other store.
Got it. So it's 28,700. Yes.
So we are going to give you a flat discount of 12,000. This is going to cost you 16,000 rupees only, including GST, with 6 months warranty. If anything happens, we'll support you with
this is one unbeatable offer.
Unbeatable offer.
Only with G2 products.
With only G2 products, because no one can give you that price for this mic. Even someone who has any other stock, if you might have got from somewhere also, you cannot match the price. So this is one of the good deal what we are offering. So you can contact us for this. So now we have got television magnetic stand. Yes. So we have a magnetic stand in the stock.
This is for our home content creators.
Home content creators, for product shoot, anything. Whoever wants to take a product shoot in a different angles.
Got it. We can do that. Cooking videos.
Cooking videos also we can do.
Yes.
We can also increase the height. We can decrease the light.
Yes,
and we can turn however we want. And it will be very stable.
Flexibility, full versatility.
Very stable, and it's only for people who are looking to content create for like only at one particular spot or inside the house. Yes. But for outside, it's going to be very difficult to carry such a big stand. Yes. But for
indoors, yes.
Mainly for photo shoots product shoots, or mainly videos. Some cooking videos. For cooking, all the akkas, it's very important. Nodi, idu kuda ide nama hatra. This tripod also we have, so it can hold little bit of weight, like for phone, and for action camera it's top. For DSLR also you can use. You can use to take a B-roll shots or some portrait shots, and this has a very good height and very lightweight. Okay. Then we have a good height tripods also. Yes. Then we have something lightweight carbon fiber. So this is very lightweight.
Yeah.
Then
it is what? It is not as even as heavy as my phone.
Phone, that's what.
Yes.
Then we have few more options like tripod, like small tripods.
Yes. Monopod and tripod.
Yes. And short tripod, flexible. Yes. Gorillapod.
This is Gorillapod. Yes.
Gorillapod.
This was very popular back then.
For old school, like people who were vlogging in 2017, 18, It was very popular that time.
Yes.
Even now people buy, but even this is also good.
Yes. We can adapt it into any shape.
Any shape that we can do any day.
So guys, you might have heard that entire movies have been shot on iPhone, ads have been shot on iPhone. It has been possible through gimbals like this, which allow you to take cinematic shots and stable shots. So they have a wide variety of the best gimbals from DJI. Also there is Insta Flow 2. So you're always covered with G2 products, guys.
Covered almost all the categories, and I'm pretty sure like we have missed few more products, but obviously we won't be able to showcase everything in a 15 minutes or 20 minutes vlog. So for any other reason, any other item which you're looking, you can directly contact G2 products, or you can search on Google G2 products, or you can directly follow us on Instagram G2 products. Also my number will be on the display, brother is going to put, so you can directly connect with me on the WhatsApp, whatever requirement is there. We also do take corporate orders also, if anyone is watching from a corporate office something. So we do take a bulk orders also. We are going to give a best price, and again regarding the warranty or about the service and all, we're going to support you for. See, there might be a delay of 1 or 2 days, but for sure we are going to complete as what we have told and what we have been doing from 3 years. One more quick note, actually we forgot to tell you that. So if anyone is watching this video, so if anyone is buying more than 70,000 rupees, you are going to get a 1-day free stay, which is with Me Monk Campsite Explore with you. So you can just find them on the Instagram also. Yes. So if anyone is buying 70,000 products more than that, we are going to give you a free coupon. So which will be valid from 15th to 25th, or it might be more also until the coupon stays. So already we have started distributing already. So we got 50 from the brand side and already 15 is done. So we are going to distribute. So if anyone is watching, you can also grab this opportunity. And I'm Gopal from G2 Products, and thank you so much for watching this video, and keep supporting us the same way what you have done in the last video also, and for the same for everyone. And don't forget to subscribe Swatcat Moto.
It's not that after the sale is done, it ends there. They will always give you continuous support, even with replacement, warranty and repair. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys. This is something I do for the motovlogging community, content creators. I see on my YouTube analytics that many of you have not yet still subscribed. So hit that subscribe button fast. Till then, later, see you, ciao in another video, guys.